Hi there, Face here. Do you ever listen to birds? Caw, caw. Birds make sounds like quack, quack and cheep, cheep. Here's one I really like. Tweet, tweet. Next time you listen to birds, see how many sounds you can hear. Cuckoo.